Today's question is that which operating system is best for a smartphone, Android or iOS? So let's talk about it for the answer of this question in this video. So stay tuned with me till the end. We all know that Android operating system is created by Google in 2005, whereas iOS operating system is created by Apple in 2007. Android operating system is considered as a cheaper one over iOS because it is free to the users as they can do whatever they want to do with it. But in the case of the Apple, iOS is not free to everyone because it comes in iPhones only, but both the operating systems have their own advantages and disadvantages. So first, let's talk about the 10 major benefits that we get in the Android OS over iOS. First one, we know that Android is an open source mobile OS, which means anyone can use this OS to change its user interface for their own purpose. Whereas this feature is not present in the Apple, as Apple is a closed source mobile OS. Apple do not provide iOS directly to the users to change the user interface or customize for their own purpose. Second one, in Android OS, a user gets too many features if compared with iOS. Features like changing wallpaper, applying widgets to the home screen, split screen or multi-window, which is compatible with more applications in Android, and creating multiple users, etc. These features can only be seen in Android smartphones. Third one, in Android OS, a user can set any browser as a default browser, which is not in the case of iOS. In iOS, only Safari browser is the default browser. User cannot set any browser as a default browser in iOS. Fourth one, Android is kernel Linux based operating system, whereas iOS has its own architecture, Darwin OS. Fifth one, we all know that Android is of Google, which means it has its own Google Maps, whereas in Apple there is Apple Maps present, but it cannot be competed with the Google Maps. There are more benefits available in Google Maps if compared with Apple Maps. Google Maps is more convenient while traveling, especially for long distances, and this is due to in Google Maps you can save cities and even states and countries and use it in offline mode when there is a lack of internet connection, which is not done in Apple Maps. Sixth one, Android OS comes with more than even 100 of languages, whereas iOS comes with just only 34 languages. Seventh one, Google Play Store has more applications than Apple Store. There are over 2.87 million applications present in the Google Play Store, whereas in Apple Store there are just approximately 1.8 million applications present. Eighth one, in Android there is complete control over the operating system, which means a user can get the total control over the OS through rooting and jailbreaking techniques, etc. A user never get the full access over the whole operating system in iOS. Ninth one, if we talk about the backup file storage system on the server, then Google Drive gives 15 GB of storage at free of cost, whereas iCloud of Apple just gives 5 GB of storage on server at free of cost. It means Google is giving 10 GB more free data to be stored on their servers compared with Apple. After that, both the companies charge according to the extra storage of data is required to be stored on their servers. 10th one, if we talk about the file transfer from smartphone to PC or vice versa, then it is easy in Android as compared with Apple. In case of Apple, media files can only be transferred using iTunes. User cannot directly transfer media files from USB port in case of Apple, but in case of Android it is possible. These are the 10 features that are in the favor of Android. But what about Apple? Apple iOS also have its benefits if compared with Android OS. Now, let's talk about the 10 major features and benefits that we get in Apple iOS, and that are: first one, Apple iOS is more secure compared with Android OS, and this is due to its closed source system. They are providing security due to their restrictions that they are imposing on their users. This is one of the great reasons that why Apple smartphones are so popular for people who want security for their privacy. Second one, Apple iOS provides hang and lag free experience to their users due to high compatibility between their hardware and their software, and it is not seen in the case of Android. Compatibility is low between the hardware and the software because they both are of different companies in the case of Android. Hardware is of Snapdragon, Huawei or Samsung, etc. and software is Android of Google. Third one, Apple iOS gives a very stable UI experience which another company cannot provide. Apple iOS is even very user-friendly. Anyone who is not familiar with smartphone's operating system can use Apple iOS for the first time. It is easy to understand. Fourth one, if we talk about Apple Store, there are less applications present compared with Google Play Store. But most of the applications in Google Play Store are not up to the requirement of the user. It means most of them are just disappointing. But it is not in the case of Apple Store. Apple Store has most of the applications up to the mark, which means these applications are useful, not just waste of data. Fifth one, Apple Safari browser is far better than Chrome browser due to some fascinating features that you get in the Safari browser only over Chrome browser. Safari browser is more energy efficient, which means it does not consume much battery of your device compared with Google Chrome. It is more user friendly due to a bunch of features that you are getting in this browser, and it is more secure compared with Chrome, especially for privacy. Sixth one, there are still some features present in the Apple iOS which is not in Android OS and that are more helpful in real world. iOS has better single-handed use if compared with Android single-handed use. Apple iOS has haptic touch feedback in which more options are showed for an application if it is pressed for long duration for more than a second. Seventh one, Apple provides too many features in their camera too, and that are augmented reality to measure real-world 3D objects, QR codes detector, selfies in portrait mode, etc., which cannot be seen in the Android smartphones. Eighth one, if we talk about battery backup, then Apple always lags in battery backup in their smartphones compared with that of Android smartphones. Apple always gives smaller battery in their smartphones than Android. But Apple's off-screen battery consumption and Apple's ideal time battery consumption is too low if compared with that of Android smartphones, which otherwise makes their smartphones with better battery backup. Ninth one, in Apple iOS we can see that there are too many animations in every transition, in-app changing, in-app closing and opening, etc. In even basic things we can see very attractive and very stable animations without any lag or hang, which cannot be seen in the case of Android. 10th one, if we talk about the updates, then Apple iOS gets approximately 5 years of software update for approximately 5 times. But in the case of Android, it gets update just for 1 year, and if the device is under Android 1 policy, then it will get just 2 years of software update from the launch date. Hence, the conclusion is that both the brands have their own operating system with own advantages and disadvantages. It all depends upon the user that what features he or she wants on his or her smartphone and what features not. According to that, a user select his preference according to the price of the product. Thank you. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon below so that you will never miss any upcoming video. Please comment below this video and tell me what will you want in my next video.